Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create the Club Monthly Report on the Rotary India website. This Club Monthly Report helps the district committee assess the status of each club, and hence it is a very important monthly duty of every club. We have made it very simple for a club to make the Club Monthly Report. First, we log in to the Rotary India website. When you do that, you will see the following club dashboard on the screen. From here, we go into the Club Monthly Report module. You can see that on the screen right now. You can see the Club Monthly Report pending for the month of July. Now, I will go to the right side of the screen and click on Create. When you click on Create, you should land on the following screen. Here, you can see the club details on top, like club ID, club name, and you can choose the assistant governor by clicking here and selecting an assistant governor from the drop-down list. Next, we can see the meetings conducted by a club. So these are the regular meetings conducted by a club, and this is an assembly meeting conducted by this club. If your club has regularly updated the meetings, this page should be completely up to date and you will not have to make any changes. In case anything is missing, you can click on the Add Meetings button and add the required meetings. Once you have verified all the data on this page, click on Save and Next on the bottom of the screen. Next, we are asked about the TRF contribution for the current month. TRF data is not fetched from Rotary International website. You have to enter the TRF data for the month manually. So here, we can see the date, name, amount and the fund options. So we'll quickly choose a date, name of the member who has contributed, the amount he has contributed. Please make sure the amount is in US dollars. Let's say $50, and the fund, let's say polio, and you can click on the add button on the center of the screen. The record has been saved successfully and you can see it updated over here. Once you have updated the TRF contribution for the current month, click on Save and Next on the bottom of the screen. This brings us to the Projects tab. Here we can see all the projects that have been updated by a club on the Rotary India website. If you are yet to add a project, you can do so from this screen itself by clicking on the Add Project button on the top of the page. Clicking on the Add Project button will take you to the Service Projects module where you can add all the details of the project. Once you have verified all the details on this page, you can click on Save and Next on the bottom of the page. This brings us to the final section of the Club Monthly Report, Membership Change in a current month. Here, we have to enter the member count as on last month, members deleted or terminated, and members added. This will give you a current count of members. So let's say member count as on last month is 50. Members deleted or terminated, let's say 3. And members added, let's say 10. When I enter data in this last field, you will see the current number of members gets updated to 58. If I make any changes, this number also gets updated, as you can see. Finally, you can enter any additional achievements, participation or events that the club has hosted over here. Please keep this content to max of 200 words. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Save and Generate Report button on the bottom of the screen. As you can see, the monthly report for your club is in front of you with all the details that need to be entered. And typically, this task would take days, but thanks to the Rotary India website and mobile app, you could create the monthly report for a club within 10 minutes. If a club has regularly updated all its details like events, projects and meetings, once you have verified all these details, you can click on the Upload to District button on the bottom of the screen. When you click on the Upload to District button, the date and time of submission is recorded along with the name of the person who has submitted the report. These details are then sent to the DG, AG, President and Secretary of a club via email. As you can see, the monthly report has been successfully updated to the District Governor. You can view, download or print the report from the Club Monthly Report module. As you can see, the Create button is now grayed out and you can see the View, Edit and Download button. If you wish to make any changes to the Club Monthly Report, you can click on the Edit button on the right side of the screen. This will allow you to change any details on any of the steps of the Club Monthly report. When you have updated all the required changes, please click on Save and Next on the bottom of the screen and go ahead to re-upload the Club Monthly report to the district. This will save the new date and time of updation. And that's it. That's as easy to make a monthly report for a club on the Rotary India website.